Hey there, Bricksters and Lego friends, Fred here, and welcome to Twoloosebricks. Today I have a haul, the Collectable minifigure series number 23. So we are going to open them. We had been a little bit excited when we came out of Toys R Us yesterday, and my dad opened one and he built it right away. So he got the dragon, and my mom opened one because I went shopping with my folks yesterday. Took them shopping, and anyway, my mom opened up and she got Captain Smith in the Titanic, so that's pretty cool. And I opened one up too, just for the heck of it, and I also got a Captain Smith and the Titanic. So we're gonna open the rest of them and see what we got here and put them together. So let's do this. Okay, so let's just start building these guys and see what we come up with now. Captain Smith. We all know it's Captain Smith. I mean, that's an Easter egg. I mean, this is the Titanic. I mean, no doubt about it. And they made, I mean, Lego made the Titanic, so yeah, why not put him in on it? Of course, there's always extra parts. I mean, and doesn't that look like him? We'll put a little picture up right up here in the corner. I say certainly looks like him. And that certainly looks like the Titanic. That's not an Easter egg. Nothing is. And we got some spare parts we'll just put aside there. Okay. What one do we got here? This is one that I think I opened? No, my mom opened. I had my mom open this one. My folks are both 80 and they enjoy opening things. They enjoy the Lego stuff as well. So I let them open some stuff, and it's fun. It's fun to have a family event and family time. So this is a nutcracker. And he even got little walnuts. Look at that. That's pretty freaking cool. Yeah. Too bad his mouth wasn't more elongated and, you know, actually moved. But we'll just pretend that, of course. And we'll put the other walnut there on the thing for him. And we got an extra pauldron, shoulder pauldron, and sword in pearl gold, so that's kind of neat. So we'll just line these guys up there. He can stand guard there. Which one shall we take next? Huh? What do you mean? Let's take this one, huh? Shall we? Alright. Let's see what we got here. Ooh. Oh yes, seriously, I wanted this one. This is, oh, I'm so happy. We got the reindeer. Ah, oh, look how how they built this. They built the ears separately. So that's what I was trying to feel for. But you can't because they're on separately. Whoopsie. Talking about losing her head, his head. And it is a girl. And it's a double-headed. Double face. So we'll put on the smiley face. Yeah, the happy face. Reindeer. I think that is so cool. And we got gingerbread hearts. And a crate. Ah, so the crate might be the key to feeling and the tile. Okay. Sometimes these things are hard to go by and feel by. So we got an extra set of angry eyes, as Mrs. Potato would say. Actually, it's reindeer ears. So we'll just put that there. And we'll put, heck going on here. We gotta make room to get his paws in there. There we go. Or her paws, since it is a female reindeer. There we go. Stick him right there. Well, we could have stuck him next to a nutcracker, I guess, and we'll put him out in the front field of view. There we go. And now we'll open another one and see what we got. I'm glad I got the reindeer. That was one I really, really wanted of all of them. So, oh my goodness, I got another reindeer. Okay, that's good because I really want this for the display. So we'll put the other facial expression on this one. Reindeer are good for the display. Yes, they are. Especially in the winter scene. We'll leave that box open. We'll put that gingerbread in there. Oopsie. Oopsie, oopsie. Give him the gingerbread on this side. And we'll put the antlers over there. So we got a couple spare antlers now. So that's awesome. Alright. See what we got. Maybe we'll have an army of reindeer. I won't complain. I think it'll be cool. But anyway. Oh, yes. Look, the popcorn man. Or kid, because it's short legs. And they are the movable legs, short ones. Thank God. Those stationary ones are horrible. And these guys all have two faces. So, these are good. This set is good. Or this series is good. Popcorn. Now we'll be putting him next to one of our popcorn stands in the theme park. And maybe he can hold a thing of popcorn as well. These are going to be sought after for amusement park people. I think so. Even has a little printed reindeer tail on his rear. That's pretty cool. Okay. Oh, I forgot to do the dragon or Trogdor, whatever his name might be. And there's Captain Smith. Okay. There's Captain Smith. Okay, so here now. Seriously, another reindeer. Wow. Well, I am not complaining because I wanted reindeer and I got them. I would have rather had got something completely different because I'd like to get the whole set just to have it, I guess, but it is what it is. Put our gingerbread heart there in the box. We'll stick that there. We'll stick the other one in his paw. And yet a third reindeer. The rate we're going, we might have enough to drive the sled, right? See what this guy is. Okay, we got another popcorn guy. That's good, because we want popcorn guys for the down below, and put the other face on him this time. I still think they should have added like a little popcorn thing in his hand. You know. Just saying. Alright, let's see what we got here. Woohoo, another dragon. Okay, that's good, that's good. So get him built. Oops, this gotta go like this, down like this, and then put him on, and we put angry face on. And then we'll do that. Put her on there. Oh, I give her the horns. The other one, we put them downwards. Let's put these ones upwards. It really don't matter. And we have a spear horn. And I hear the birds going crazy outside. So we got one figure left. And I would hope it's either the candy cane girl, the elf, or the turkey. I'm not holding too much faith in this. No, we don't. We got another Captain Smith. Which is okay, because I kind of wanted to just put one with a boat display and one elsewhere. Spare smokestack, Captain Smith's head, and his hat. And once again, we have Captain Smith of the Titanic, and the Titanic, I guess, of the Titanic in the Titanic. I don't know, Captain Smith anyway. Anyway, that's our haul. What did we get? So we didn't get the candy cane girl, the snowman, the elf, which I would like to have gotten for the gingerbread house. I think everybody likes the gingerbread house. Everyone wants that. The elf girl. The robot, not so fond of that one. The raccoon was cool. I wouldn't mind that one. And the turkey. Castle people would like the knights and the dragons, of course. The knight doesn't really do too much for me, so I'm okay with not having him. Although I wouldn't mind the other ones, especially her, the elf girl and the turkey. I think now, looking at them, the elf girl and the turkey are about the two that I really want, more than any of the rest of them. But anyway, that is the haul for today. And don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe down below and help me build this channel up. And I've been trying real hard to get that 1,000 subscribers, so tell all your friends and relatives, neighbors, anybody, the cat, the dog next door, to hit the subscribe button and get me there. I greatly appreciate it, and I'll talk to you guys soon in the next video. Bye for now.